quick, drop a like in the next 6 seconds if you guys are excited to get the 14 days of summer rewards in Fortnite. Well, here on the channel, I'm giving out 200 battle passes in total, and so far I've given out 60 battle passes, so there's still 140 remaining. So if you guys want to get a chance to get the season 3 exclusive battle pass, then simply subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos, and drop your epic name in the comment section so I can simply go ahead and add you. And also, I'm an epic partner, so use code GARU in the Fortnite item shop, as it directly supports the channel and it allows me to do all the awesome stuff here on the channel. And recently the Blaze skin came out, so I went ahead and hooked up some more lucky subscribers with the brand new skin. So today as well, I'm gonna go ahead and hook you guys up with this Blaze skin.
Thank you so much, Garu.
Yo, what's going on guys? My name is Garu and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it is that time of the year where we get ourselves some free rewards in Fortnite, 14 to be exact, because there will be brand new challenges and rewards coming up, which is gonna be related with 14 days of summer challenges, also known as the Summerfest challenges in Fortnite. It all started a year ago when Fortnite hosted the 14 days of Christmas challenges, and later on the next year we saw ourselves the 14 days of summer challenges, and finally on this year we got ourselves 2 free skins on the Winterfest challenges, and most likely these challenges are gonna be called these Summerfest challenges in Fortnite. Basically, there's gonna be 14 rewards in total that we can claim in Fortnite, which is gonna include back blinks, pickaxes, contrails, banners, and this time people are also speculating that we are gonna get ourselves 2 free skins in Fortnite. Previously, if you guys have realized, on the last season at the Lazy Lake, the No Sweat Insurance building, we actually saw ourselves 3 different posters. In one of them, we actually saw sharks. In the other one, we actually saw houses which were floating on top of the water. Well, all those posters came out to be true for season 3, and the last poster which was still there was the poster which had a new skin style or a free reward for the Meowscles in Fortnite. Previously, we have seen Fortnite release battle pass skins as a new skin in Fortnite, just like we saw with the Drift skin. The Drift skin was a part of the season 5 battle pass, and later on for the 14 days of summer challenges, Fortnite added in a new variant for the Drift skin, and it was actually a separate skin from the Drift skin itself, which was called the Summer Drift. So now, this is the only thing which is remaining that is yet to come out for season 3. And previously I've said this in the past, whatever I say on my videos, they will actually come out in Fortnite no matter what. I've told you guys there's gonna be sharks and there's gonna be houses with pool floaties, and look at season 3 right now. All of them came out to be true. So this is gonna be one of the skins that will be either coming out in the item shop, or we will be getting this as a free skin style for Meowscles in Fortnite. Now if you guys are wondering, well, what is gonna happen with the players who don't actually have the Meowscles skins, then I think Fortnite might actually even add this as a skin challenge in Fortnite. Make sure you guys keep on watching this video, because the skin styles that I'm gonna show you guys in this video is absolutely amazing. But basically, if you guys are wondering when are these Summerfest or the 14 days of summer challenges coming out, well, previously they actually came out on June 25th, and right now when I'm uploading this video, it is currently June 29th. So people are speculating we are actually gonna see ourselves the leaks or the challenges coming out in the 13.20 patch, which will be dropping in either tomorrow or will be dropping in on Wednesday. But basically, when these 14 days of summer challenges drop in, every single day there's gonna be a new challenge, and once you actually complete that challenge, you will get yourself a free reward in Fortnite. These are probably gonna last for 20 days, and every single day there's gonna be a new reward for you guys to actually claim in Fortnite. And here on the channel, I help you guys out with all your Fortnite challenges in the fastest and the quickest way possible before they even come out. So if you guys want to know more about these Summerfest challenges and how to actually claim all of these 14 rewards when they actually come out, make sure you subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, because this time Fortnite might even actually give out free skins in general, and I'll help you guys actually go ahead and unlock them if that is the case. A huge shout out to Apollo for making this, because the first skin in the list that would be really nice to have as the summer skin is gonna be the onesie skin. And over here we can actually have a look at this skin, which is pretty amazing. Previously we have seen Fortnite release battle pass skins and kind of remastered them to a summer edit style, just like we saw with the drift. So having these skins as a new skin in Fortnite, I think that would be pretty cool. The next skin in our list is gonna be the Renegade Raider. Well, yesterday we saw ourselves the Blaze skin in Fortnite, and that was just a new skin for the Renegade Raider skin. So obviously there is still a small chance that there could be something like this maybe in the future, but yeah, I just wanted to throw this in the list because obviously this skin looks amazing, and I'm pretty sure even though the lower half doesn't look like the Renegade Raider, I think a lot of people would still get this skin for themselves. The next skin in our list is actually gonna be Peely. Okay, we got ourselves someone over here. Wait a sec. One hit and there we go. Wait, another one? What is happening? There we go, GG's. So obviously the Peely is pretty amazing, and the Peely has actually received a lot of separate skins for himself already. So having a summer edit style for this Peely skin, I think that would be pretty amazing. Because if you guys don't know, a lot of times Fortnite will actually take ideas from these concepts and make them into a skin on its own, just like we have seen with the Meowscles skins in Fortnite. The next one in our list is gonna be the Fish Stick, and obviously the Fish Stick is one of those skins that everyone loves, and having this as a new skin in Fortnite, I think that would be pretty cool. And obviously we have received so many skin styles of the Fish Stick skin. If you have a look at the normal Fish Stick, the Assassin challenges, or the Trigger Fish, so Fish Stick is one of those skins that I think everyone would definitely cop just cause it's the fishy boy. The next one in our list is gonna be TNTina. Well, TNTina was one of the Battle Pass skins from Season 2. We have seen Fortnite remastered the Battle Pass skins before as well, so having in a summer style for TNTina, I think a lot of people are definitely gonna like that, especially if it also comes out with two different styles to select from, which is the Shadow and the Ghost variant for TNTina. And while we're talking about the Season 2 skins, we have also got ourselves another skin for the Sky, and obviously this one is also pretty cool, but I think, you know, having a Shadow style and a Ghost style for these skins, I think that would be pretty cool in my opinion. The next one in our list is gonna be the Bunny Brawler skin, and obviously we have seen this skin in the item shop on its own, but well, a new skin style for this skin ain't that bad. We got some players over here, so let's go ahead and join in on the fight. Okay, before you go ahead and pick up on him, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this guy as well. There we go, one quick hit. I'm out of mats right now. I got myself the charge shotgun, so it's GG. Okay, this is the best shotgun maybe, especially if you guys can know how to use it. So moving on to the next one in our list, we got ourselves the Ruby skin, and obviously a lot of people love this skin, especially because it is now considered as one of the tryhard skins. So having this as a new skin in Fortnite, I think that would be pretty cool, especially if we get this as a free skin style in Fortnite. That is why I wanted to mention most of these skins. What if we get these skins as a skin style in Fortnite rather than buying it from the item shop? I think that would be really cool of Fortnite if they actually make that happen. And in general, people forget to use these skins. Whoa, there's someone just waiting in over here for us. Okay, GG's. But as I was saying, people don't usually use the skins that they have owned previously in a battle pass that much. So if Fortnite adds these skins as a free skin style in Fortnite, I think more people are gonna go ahead and use them rather than those skins just sitting in the locker forever. And obviously, if you guys have not noticed, because of the summer theme, all these henchmen have now turned their outfits into like literally shots in Fortnite. So obviously, because of Season 3, we are going to receive some more skins in the item shop, or even as new skin styles in Fortnite. Okay, GG's. I really need some mats. This teammate is pushing me. Thank you very much. Give me those mats. Whoa, we almost got sniped, but that's okay. Okay, I'm literally out of mats. GG's. But as I was saying, there will be a total of 14 free rewards in Fortnite, alongside some new skins coming out in the game itself. Whoa, okay, another gamer over here. There's some more people fighting in. Watch out, bro. GG's. GG's. Whoa, there's more people with grenades. What's happening? Easy peasy. There's 7 players remaining, so let's get ourselves this victory royale and secure the win. Oh, that would be so sick if I actually hit that. There we go, GG's, and a no scope. A Ripley as well, come on. What are you doing, bro? GG's.